The Gospel Method has officially reached 5,000 subscribers. Yay! So thank you to each and every one of you for all your support over the channel over the last couple of years. It really does mean a lot to us, and it makes it so that we can reach more people. But to celebrate, we are opening up some special classes in our online school. So this is Zoom classes where you can talk to me, I can talk to you, I can see your fingers, okay? And so I'm going to be opening up 25 spots this fall for people just from the Gospel Method. So if you're a subscriber and you would like a chance to do some online lessons with me, you can definitely fill out the form in the description box below, and I'll put it in the comments, and we'll be taking 25 people to do Zoom lessons with me. So that will be one class a week where we can talk, I can see you, we can go over your level, your goals. You'll get an accountability plan for the year, and we'll guide what you want to do and show how you can get there by the end of the year. So go down below, put it in. There's no charge to fill out the form. That will just give me your information. I will give you a call personally, and we'll have a chat about what time might work and what things you want to learn.